If you make food at home, investing in a good cutting board is an absolute no-brainer. Hi, I'm Ian from the Grommet, and a quality cutting board makes meal prep easier, looks great in your kitchen, and if it's cared for properly, it can last you a lifetime. These cutting boards each offer something special, from handcrafted details to problem-solving designs to one-of-a-kind, personalized touches. If you're looking for an heirloom quality cutting board that will be the star of your kitchen, look no further than Larchwood. These special boards come from a small mill in Nova Scotia and are assembled in such a way to give each one a unique look. Cut marks made on the boards will actually close up and heal over time, keeping them looking fresh and clean. And with proper care, a Larchwood board is something you can pass down for generations. If you're not ready to invest in a large butcher block style cutting board, this lightweight option from woodNflex is an excellent alternative. It features a natural wood finish on the top and a silicone base, which means it won't slide around on your countertops. But what really makes this cutting board special is its flexible design, which is great for transferring food to a pan, bowl, or even the scraps into the garbage. Carving meat on a cutting board often means one thing. Juices spill everywhere, going right over the edges of your board and straight onto your countertop, or even worse, your shoes. Architec's boards offer a simple solution, a slight concave design at the center that can collect and hold up to 1 cup of liquid. This makes it perfect for carving chicken, roasts, and even juicy fruits or vegetables. The boards also have non-slip feet to keep them in place while carving. A good cutting board makes for an excellent gift, but a personalized cutting board makes it even more special. The team at Words with Boards makes this customization process as simple as possible. You pick a name or expression and they'll hand cut those words directly onto the boards themselves, making for a truly custom piece. The boards are made in Maryland from sustainably forested maple wood, giving them a bright, natural look. Shopping for cutting boards may sound boring, but by bringing unique features and beautiful designs, each of these boards offers something truly special. So stop ruining your knives by cutting on that cheap board that you've had since college and invest in something that'll make cooking at home a more enjoyable experience.